Today's lessons will talk about human reproduction, 生殖，人類生殖。Okay, reproduction in humans. It involves a male parents and a female parents. The female parents like your mother, the male parents like your father. So your father and your mother, okay, both of them have sex cells. The sex cells have two types, sperms and ova. Okay, sperms and ova. So, how was you born by your parents? Okay, because a new life, this means you begins with a sperm, fused with an ovum. Ovum is the singular form of ova. Ova is the plural form. The singular form, sperm. The plural form, sperms. Okay? After the sperm and ovum fertilization means fused with, okay, combined together, fused with. We have a scientific name, fertilization. Okay, after the sperm and ovum fertilized, the new cells called fertilized ovum was formed. So let's take a look of a shape of a sperm. The sperms look like a tadpole, okay? The youngest state of a frog. The tadpole means the youngest stage of the frog. Okay, the tadpole. Okay, the sperm has a head here and a long tail. Okay, you know what? This is the 100 times magnification. Okay. So what does the head contain? The head contained a nucleus. Nucleus carries half the number of chromosomes. So what are chromosomes? Chromosomes are like this. Every human, every animals, plants have chromosomes. And the humans have 23 chromosomes. Okay? 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay? As sperms carry one set. Okay? So what's the use of the tail? It's used to swim. So the sperm can swim. It means the sperm can move. So how about the ovum? The ovum like this. Okay, just 350 times multiplication, which means the ovum is much more bigger than the sperm. Okay, much more bigger than the sperm. It's a ball shaped, but the sperm is a tadpole shape. The sperm can move by swimming, but the ovum cannot move by itself. So it's a structure of an ovum. The ovum contains cytoplasm, the cell membrane, and nucleus. Okay, and surrounded by a thick jelly-like coat. Okay, and the nucleus contains another half set of the chromosomes. Okay, and the cytoplasm of the ovum contains a lot of food substance for the early stage of embryo development. It means that after the fertilization, the fertilized ovum formed. Okay, after the fertilized ovum formed, it will called embryo, and the food inside the cytoplasm provided for the embryo growth. Okay, the embryo growth later, the baby was formed. Okay, it's mean you. So let us compare a sperm and the ovum in the shape, in terms of the shape. A sperm like a tadpole and the ovum like a ball. Okay, and the size of the sperm smaller and the ovum larger. How about the movement? The sperm can move and the ovum cannot move. And the number of chromosomes, sperm has 23 and the ovum has 23 as well. They all carry the same number of chromosomes. Okay? same number of chromosomes in the nucleus. So let's talk about the human reproductive system. Reproductive systems. Reproductive system means 生殖系統. Okay, so sperms and ovaries produced by the reproductive system. The sperm produced in a male reproductive system, and the ovum or ova produced in the female reproductive systems. So let us identify the different structure of the male reproductive system. Okay, so these are sperm duct. Okay, sperm duct, 輸卵管, sperm duct. These three are sex glands. Sex glands. This and this are testes. Okay, in plural, testes. Okay, T-E-S-T-E-S in plural, testes. This is one testis and two testes. And this is the urethra. Okay, and your pee will go out here. Urethra, and the sperm will go out from here as well. This is the penis. And the whole thing is scrotum. One scrotum, two scrotums. So the function of the testis produce sperms. The testis produce sperms and sex hormones. And the scrotums hold the testes. Mention this. The testis, the plural form means two. Okay, outside the abdomen. Abdomen means in the Chinese football. Okay, the scrotum holds the testes. And the sperm duct carries sperms from the testis to the urethra. The sex glands produce the fluid. The fluid contains nutrients. Okay, for sperms. The fluid and the sperms form the semen. I repeat, the fluid and the sperms form semen, which means the semen contain fluid and sperms. Okay? And urethra carries semen, and urine means pee out of your body at different times when you want to pee. And last, the penis was used to carry semen to the female reproductive system during sexual intercourse. This is the scientific name, sexual intercourse. Okay? So let's talk about the female reproductive system. Okay, this is the oviduct. This is oviduct as well, where the fertilization takes place. The fertilization takes place means the sperm and the ovum fuse with each other. The fertilization takes place in oviduct. Ovaries 1 and 2 ovaries, and this is a uterus, like a triangle. Okay, the upside down triangle. Uterus, and that's a vagina. Okay, so ovary is used to produce ova and sex hormones, and the oviduct carries the ovum to the uterus, and plus the fertilization takes place in the oviduct as well. And uterus provide a stable environment for the development of the embryo. Okay, embryo during the pregnancies means that after the fertilization, the fertilized ovum was formed. Okay, the fertilized ovum then develops into the embryo. The embryo is in the uterus. Okay, it's in the uterus, and the uterus provides a stable environment for the embryo to develop. Okay, then after 10 months, the baby was born. Okay, Vagina. Vagina is used to receive the penis during the sexual intercourse. Okay, one more. I want to remind you, this is the first function, and the other function, which is very important. The vagina acts at 扮演住, okay, the birth canal during the birth of the baby, which means when you was born, you pass through the birth canal, which is vagina. Okay.